Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about a device that takes the capabilities of the Meshtastic going off-grid to a whole nother level. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. The T-Deck is a compact portable device developed by LilyGo, primarily designed for programming and communication projects. It features a 2.8-inch IPS LCD touchscreen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels, along with a mini keyboard and a BlackBerry-style trackball for navigation. The device operates on an ESP32S3 dual-core processor, which supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it suitable for various applications, including remote control and messaging systems. The specifications is the microcontroller, right? The ESP32S3FN16R8, which supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 LE. It displays a 2.8-inch ST7789 IPS LCD, 320 by 240 resolution. You have the LoRa transceiver, which is the Semtech SX1262. Frequency options is 915 megahertz, 868 megahertz, and 433 megahertz. The audio is the I2S speaker output and dual microphone inputs. Connectivity, the USB-C port and U.FL/IPEX antenna connector. For LoRa, the power supply can be powered by a LiPo battery. Now the features are nice. It's integrated backlit keyboard with customizable shortcuts. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you appreciate this video, if you like the content, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. So the trackball for user interface navigation, expandable with micro SD card slot and serial/Grove ports. It's capable of running various software environments, including Arduino IDE, Platform IO, and MicroPython. The applications are the T-Deck can be utilized in numerous creative projects, such as the CyberDeck development, acts as a portable computing device for various applications. The LoRa communication, which enables long-range communication without the need for Wi-Fi networks with, when equipped with compatible LoRa modules. You have remote control systems, which functions as a VNC client for controlling other systems remotely. The device's versatility makes it appealing to hobbyists and developers interested in building customized portable computing solutions. Now, the projects that you can create with this device is very cool. The T-Deck is a versatile device, right? It can be used for various creative projects, and here are some ideas that you can, use the T-Deck to create and have fun, but hey, don't do anything illegal. Okay, so the communication projects, right? This is in the realm of communication. You have the LoRa Messenger, which develop a long-range messaging system using the optional LoRa module, allowing communication over several kilometers without Wi-Fi. We talked about it, the VNC client. You can create a remote control system by implementing a VNC client utilizing the screen, trackball, and keyboard for remote access, remote system access, right? And then you have the entertainment applications, the AVI player. You can build a simple video player for short clips. NES emulator, you can implement a Nintendo Entertainment System emulator using Arduino no friendo. You have the x86 emulator. You can develop an emulator capable of running older operating systems like Windows 3.0, though performance may be limited. Now, development and programming tools. This is another realm. You have the LVGL interface. You can create a custom user interface using the LVGL, which is Light and Versatile Graphics Library framework. The CircuitPython projects, you can utilize CircuitPython to develop various applications, taking advantage of the device's capabilities. You have IoT and sensor projects, like the weather station, right? You can build a portable weather monitoring system using the device's connectivity and display features. You have the home automation controller. You can create a handheld controller for smart home devices. Which smart home device would you use? Let me know in the comment section below. And then you have educational tools, right? Portable coding environment. You can develop a self-contained programming environment for learning and practicing coding on the go. Then there's interactive learning games. You can create educational games that utilize the touch screen and keyboard for input. CyberDeck applications, which you have the portable hacking tool. You can develop ethical hacking tools or security testing applications. That is key. And then you know what time it is, right? Meshtastic, T-Deck, Obviously, there's the off-the-grid communication device, those kinds of projects. You can build a standalone communication system for emergency or remote situations. The T-Deck's combination of a touchscreen display, keyboard, ESP32 processor, and optional LoRa module makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, particularly those requiring portability and user interaction. Its ability to run various software environments, again, the MicroPython, the Platform IO, Arduino IDE, further expands its potential for creative applications. Now, we talked about projects and all this, T-Deck, all this, but how does the T-Deck make Meshtastic really better, right? And it makes it better in these key areas. You have the standalone operation, right? The T-Deck is the first truly standalone Meshtastic node that can be useful in emergency situations without requiring a separate phone or computer. This addresses a common criticism of Meshtastic, right? Saying that it's not truly off-grid if it requires a smartphone app to operate, and then you have the integrated interface, right? Unlike basic Meshtastic nodes with tiny OLED displays, the T-Deck features a full, QWERTY, keyboard, a larger touchscreen display, a trackball for navigation. This allows users to directly interact with Meshtastic network, send/receive messages, and configure settings without needing an external device. Okay, so they're really trying to. They heard the criticism, and they're going full throttle. They're not taking it anymore from you guys, right? They don't want no more complaints. You also have the extended battery life. With the 5000 mAh battery, the T-Deck can last for several days on a single charge. This makes it ideal for extended off-grid use. You have the versatile connectivity while functioning as a standalone device. The T-Deck still, it retains the ability to interface with the Meshtastic phone app. Okay, so it's still, they're hearing your complaints, but they're still saying, hey, no, we still gonna do what we're gonna do. The self-host, it also self-hosts a web, user interface over Wi-Fi for advanced configuration and chat. There's the improved form factor. The T-Deck's design, which includes a built-in keyboard and larger screen, makes it more practical for real-world use compared to smaller Meshtastic nodes. Then there's the enhanced features, right? The T-Deck's Plus model adds further capabilities, and the built-in GPS, the rechargeable battery, the protective housing shell. These improvements make the T-Deck a more complete and user-friendly Meshtastic device, potentially broadening its appeal beyond radio enthusiasts to a wider audience, right? They're trying to make this to maybe reach out of the core audience here. Now, the benefits of there's also the concept of a T-beam, right? Now, the benefits of using a T-beam device with the T-Deck Plus, there's a combination of it, right? So there's the enhanced network coverage. The T-beam, when paired with the T-Deck Plus, can act as a relay node, extending the range and coverage of the Meshtastic network. This is particularly useful in remote areas or challenging terrains where direct communication between T-Deck Plus devices might be limited. You have the GPS integration, that's another one. While the T-Deck Plus has built-in GPS compatibilities, right? Using it alongside a T-beam provides redundancy and potentially improved location accuracy. This can be crucial for applications requiring precise positioning or when tracking multiple nodes in the network. You have smartphone connectivity. The T-beam can be paired with a smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing users to interact with the Meshtastic network through the mobile app. Okay, this provides an additional interface option complementing the T-Deck Plus's built-in screen and keyboard. Now, if this thing is going to be off-grid, one of the key things that we want in this thing is power management, right? By distributing network tasks between the T-Deck Plus and T-beam, users can potentially extend the battery life of both devices. The T-beam can handle continuous GPS tracking and long-range transmissions, while the T-Deck Plus can focus on user interface and local communications. There's also the versatile deployment options. The combination allows for more flexible deployment scenarios, right? The T-Deck Plus can serve as the primary user interface and control center. The T-beam can be positioned in optimal locations for signal propagation or GPS reception, and then the backup and redundancy is another key, right? Having both devices in a setup provides a level of redundancy. If one device fails or runs out of battery, the other can still maintain some level of communication and positioning capabilities. So by leveraging the strengths of both the TDEC Plus and T-Beam, users can create a more robust and versatile Meshtastic setup suitable for a wide range of off-grid communication scenarios, okay? So, devices, there's also devices that make things, that like the Meshtastic better, like the rack whisk block devices. So that's what I have for today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video, if you appreciate the content, if you feel like you learned something new, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. Also, please let me know your opinion in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.